So this car is in a beautiful 100% renovated condition. Everything's been done to the car, including the paint, bodywork, underneath the car, inside the car, rooftop, engine. You name it, it's been done. So the engine is obviously an original 400 motor, completely renovated, completely gone through. As you see in the photos and the video, everything is done tip-top. A few minor things left to complete the vehicle. Fan belt, connect the clutch cable, very few things, but once that's done, you have a 100% perfect car. So as you can see, the interior is done beautifully in this blue color. Carpets, floor mats, the seat covers, door cards, instrument panel is done very, very nicely. Has an original wooden steering wheel, the convertible top, all new covered, works beautifully, and all in all, I mean, it's a 10 out of 10. As mentioned before, there are a few small items to complete the vehicle. Dashboards and vehicle fixed, the clutch cable, very few things, also adjust the doors. But again, a good mechanic can have it done in a weekend. But all the expensive part, the big stuff, has been done perfectly. Hope you enjoyed this presentation of this 1969 Pontiac Firebird, and happy bidding.